Let's talk about what is inside a black hole. One of the universe's most intriguing and mysterious phenomena. Let's explore the depths of these cosmic giants and uncover some astonishing facts. Imagine a place so dark that not even light can escape its grasp. This is the reality of black holes, where at the heart lies the singularity, a point where all matter converges. These cosmic wonders are born from the remnants of dead stars, such as neutron stars, and continuously grow by devouring stars, asteroids, and even dust particles that stray too close. Inside a black hole, there is a singularity and matter that falls upon the singularity. Singularity is the center of the black hole where all the matter gets collected. The matter inside black holes comes from dead stars. But what are black holes really made of? It's the dense matter of these deceased stars that forms the event horizon, a point of no return. Inside, time and space behave unlike anywhere else in the universe. Time slows down so dramatically near black holes that it seems to almost stop due to the intense gravitational fields. And space. Black holes are more spacious than you can imagine, constantly consuming matter and preparing to capture more. They spin at incredible speeds, warping spacetime around them and creating what scientists call spacetime curvatures. But what if you were to venture into a black hole? The experience would be far from pleasant. You would undergo spaghettification, where the immense gravity would stretch and compress you like spaghetti. This journey ends at the singularity, the final point in a black hole. Is survival possible in such a harsh environment? Unfortunately, no. Black holes offer a one-way trip to their core with no escape. And in 2022, the record for the biggest black hole goes to the black hole called Phoenix A, an ultra-massive black hole, 100 billion times the mass of our Sun, capable of fitting multiple solar systems within its grasp. If you want to know more about the Phoenix A black hole, check out the video on top right corner or click the link in the description. Thank you for exploring the mysteries of black holes with us. These cosmic phenomena continue to captivate and baffle us with their extraordinary nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into space and science. Keep gazing at the stars, and see you next time.